Let's be honest, a life without your smartphone would be completely unimaginable today. We are used to be available 24/7, use apps to track our day, motions and even emotions, stream music and videos on the go, while at the same time relying on fingerprint, voice and face recognition for advanced control and security. These use cases are currently extended to countless industrial IoT devices to offer you the same comfort provided by the smartphone. This lifestyle of the future is already today implemented by RZA embedded MPUs, Renesas application processors with peak performance. And RZA MPUs enable optimized mid-range HMIs or human-machine interfaces. And the interfacing between humans and machines has become a ubiquitous fact. And the real question is not, are we interfacing, but actually what does this interface look like? Is the machine controlled by touch, by voice, or even a thought? These boundaries between science fiction and reality are blurring and constantly moving. And RZA today clearly focuses on touch-based mid-range HMIs, where mid-range refers to graphics resolution only. RZA MPUs are actually very high-end in responsiveness, ease of use, BOM optimization, ruggedness, flexibility, reuse, and long-term availability. One of the facts of technology evolution and innovation is that you need optimized components for almost any application or use case. Such an optimization may be feature-centric, cost-based, or service-related. And RZA MPUs actually optimize along all three dimensions, but the feature-centric HMI-specific optimization clearly stands out. And this means that RZA MPUs are made for HMIs from the ground up. And this is why you will not achieve the same kind of HMI performance using a general-purpose microprocessor or microcontroller. HMI-centric optimizations have been implemented with smart feature pairs for the CPU and bus, memory architecture, memory interfacing, and graphics. And Renesas RZA embedded MPUs are ARM Cortex-A9 based MPUs running at 400 MHz and providing 1000 DMIPS. They provide just the right feature set to enable sophisticated algorithm execution, high-speed Ethernet communication, flexible sensor connectivity, low power operation, dual integrated display output, and AES-based hardware encryption for secure boot, as well as multiple timers, including real-time clock. But what RZA MPUs are most famous for is the largest of all embedded SRAMs, up to 10 megabytes. RZA embedded MPU family scales along the dimension of embedded SRAM density, starting at 2 megabytes, then 3 megabytes, 5 megabytes, and even 10 megabytes. And this vast memory is used as buffer memory in graphics-based applications like HMIs or security-based applications where fast and low-power image comparisons enable authentication and validation goals that become more important every day. RZA MPU first started as a niche HMI MPU and now see the market coming its way from countless directions. RZA embedded MPUs solve the most crucial HMI design challenges of today, and these are high cost pressure, too low performance, EMI noise topics related to the sensitive parallel interfaces, and supply volatilities primarily impacting memory chips. And the good news for you is that RZA MPUs effectively take away all these concerns by the power of being built from the ground up for HMIs. And one of the most important battles in the MPU space is the buildup of a complete ecosystem of partners around hardware, software, and middleware, application add-ons, testing, integration, consulting, and training. Renesas, as the world's largest vendor of microcontrollers, evidently has the biggest network of partners, currently embracing some 800 value-adding organizations. For RZA specifically, GUI frameworks are key to many of the target use cases. And Renesas, in co-op with GUI framework partners, have integrated close to 10 GUI frameworks that all have a special positioning in the graphics domain. These include Test Giuliani, Crank Storyboard Designer, Express Logic GUIX, Sega MWin, Altio Deepscreen, Micro Embedded Java, and Tar Embedded Wizard, and more. Please contact these partners directly for more GUI framework information and Renesas for more RZA news. I wish you all a great HMI design and see you soon.